here somewhere. The hardest job as kids face today is learning good manners without seeing any. Obviously the quote there, we're looking for good manners and sportsmanship, and it's hard when we see people like, Alex Rodriguez, Tiger Woods, and everybody keeps filling our sports pages. So that's kind of what that quote meant. Anyway, there are many controversial issues in competitive and recreational sports that have become debatable in the media and in society that relate to deviance, aggression, and violence. The term sport rage has been used in a growing number of academic and non-academic sports publications to describe the type of shockingly violent incidents that occur at sporting events worldwide. The death of a hockey dad in Massachusetts over a youth hockey game challenged the media to draw upon a term that could describe an event that seemed inconceivable when one father killed another or a dispute related to their son's ice hockey participation. An incredible brawl between the NBA's Indiana Pacers, Detroit Pistons, and Detroit fans gave national exposure to another shocking incident of extreme violence at a sporting event that highlighted the dynamic relationship between aggressive fans and players. Sports Illustrated printed their weekly edition of their color magazine with a picture of a notorious Pacer forward, Ron Artest, rushing a fan with the bold all-capitalized text blaring, "Sports Rage," announcing the term's true arrival in the national spotlight. There appears to be no sign of a Sports Illustrated jinx reducing sport rage in 2004 or any upcoming season. In fact, the abundance of media coverage surrounding the 2006 Duke lacrosse scandal followed up on this scandal and once again showed how sports has become a common ground for America to communicate with one another. Many allegations and issues at the heart of the sports scandal appears to mirror of what is going on in society outside of sport. The trial of these athletes raised comparisons to the media circus surrounding the allegations of murder subsequent defense of former USC and Pro Football Hall of Fame running back O.J. Simpson. The second major trial of O.J. again highlighted issues surrounding athletes being convicted of crimes. If sports rage is new to our language, it is new in name only. Nearly every Boston Red Sox game against the New York Yankees contains some elements of rage. The rivalry has a history not uncommon to other sport rivalries all over the world in every conceivable manner. Baseball has a history of violence within the stands as fans are consistently barraged with insults that often lead to fights. Yet with all the history of violence, Major League Baseball and the American media were still able to provide some shock when they showed highlights of Red Sox pitcher Pedro Martinez throwing down aging and gray-haired Yankee coach Don Zimmer in a heated dispute between the rival teams that left many questioning the respect and character of all those involved. And I continue for many more pages. Anybody that needs these signed can help them have them signed and read the rest of the exciting conclusion later. But thank you very much for coming and braving the weather to be here. I appreciate it.